we doing today?
Speed night.
What gun you use today?
At the Costa right here.
Ooh. No way.
Steal my pistol, bro. You see it? Bro, trying to rob my pistol, bro.
Oh, we're about to play. Shit, where am I going? Home, back right. Yep. Bye! Snakes out! Center Dorito, snake. Snakes out!
Dang, Scotto, you fucking suck. I got the cross. I love you.
Oh, sorry. Oh, shit. Oh my God, Scotto. Just pull back! Let's go! Oh, you saved my life. Oh! Snake 50. I'm exhausted. Go for one more. Oh shit! Oh my God! What? What? How did I do that? Back right's looking right. Bye. No? Oh, I got him. He's out.
Good shot, Scott.
Thank you. Right. Back right's out. Snake's out. How is he still alive? Back right's out. No, there's snake.
Are you sure?
No, I'm not sure. Okay, we're good. I swore somebody was just popping up here. Oh.
Right here, and then you're gonna pop up, and then just fucking blast me. I'm gonna be coming around here.
Is there gonna be like a call for it, like right now?
I'm gonna yell like a little girl when I get to right here.
That went over. Ah, that went under. Hey. No!
Baseball.
Can I blast somebody with it real quick on the field?
I'm not getting blasted, right?
Yeah, you're getting blasted.
Oh, I was gonna go blast somebody with this.
Go blast someone.
All right, thank you. It's clear! Let's go!
Thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
I appreciate you for helping me.
I appreciate you for letting me use this amazing contraption. This is a war contraption. Donut! Let me get an outro.
We played some AIRSOFT, and then we shot some KWA guys, and then we shot each other. Oh, the rocket launcher, that was pretty cool. I'm like so dizzy now.
Okay.
All right.
Oh shit.
Well, peace out, guys.
Shit. All right, outro. Oh my God, bro, stop doing that.
I didn't mean to hit
This camera cannot handle shit like that. Why is it? Hello?